Hello, good day. So this is how we will make a vector drawing of the lion or the cub. Okay, so first, by the way, I'm using Google Drawings, so you can have Google Drawings. If you have a Gmail account, then you can go to the apps under it, then you can open Google Drawing. So this is Google Drawings. Okay, so first I will get the file first, uh, so that I have something to follow. So this is the one. Okay, so this one is not a vector drawing at this moment, because I have still to make out of shapes for this. Okay, so I'll still be, this is already converted into a JPEG, so I cannot anymore divide this or parse this into shapes. So I need to make this again, okay, for vectors. So let's get it on. So first I have here the shapes. So I just click on the shapes. Let's try to identify first what are the shapes needed here. So I can see the body here. Okay, so I can use an oval here. So I will start here from the body. Okay, I'll just use this one. Okay, so that I will know what are the shapes. So this is somewhat like a framing style in which you are getting on the original drawing, and then I just follow this with shapes. So here, as what we can see here, this would be for its body. Okay, this part. So what are we going to do with this, because there is a line here. So you select that one and you go to border color. See here, border color, and just make it transparent. Okay, see, transparent. So no lines there already. And then of course the color here, we can change here, fill color. Okay, then let's try to choose this color. Later on you can change. It's very easy for you to change colors if you already have finished it. So this one, we can put this one at this point, no problem. Okay, so we're done with the body. Let's try to get this part. There are a lot of circles here. Okay, there are a lot of circles, so I'll put this one down. So I have to look for the other shape, which is this one. Okay, so you can just follow this. Okay, this technique could be very easy for you. Okay, so once again we will use, or we will remove that line or the border. So again, go to border color and then make it transparent, and then we'll separate that one. Let's change the color so that you can identify it later. So it's a lot darker, maybe this one. Okay, it's very, as what I have said, it's very easy for you to change the colors later, so you can find any color combination. Okay, so next I will have another circle. So open again another shape of the circle, and this would be for this. Here you can see this one. Okay. So what we're doing is to make it look that we're really having the same sizes. Okay, So this one for me. If you want it to be zoom, you can click this part, zoom, and then yeah, you can go here. See, just click. Oh, that's too much. I have maybe 100. Okay. So then you can press select again to select here. So I guess this one is okay. So I am going to change again the color. Maybe let's try to use this one. I guess this will be okay. And again, I'm going to remove the border color. You can have that one. Actually, you can copy that one. That could be another way also for here. Okay, 2 ears. So what else? What other shapes? If you can see this one, this is also another shape here. Okay, this is another circle. So I can create another shape. So this shape that will fit in here. Okay, so you can adjust actually. Can fit. See? Then again, go to transparent. And that's it. So here, if you can see, this one should be having the same color with this. Okay, so whatever is the color of this will also be the color of this here. Okay, so that will be later. Put that one, that will be here. Now if you can see here, there are really the ears. This is really what composes the ears. So it's a lot bigger. So one way I can copy this. Okay, I can copy that one. I press Ctrl C, or you can click that one, then go to edit, then you can copy, and then go to edit again, then paste. Okay, and this would be for this one, the bigger part. Okay, this two would act as openings of the ears, somewhat like that one. Don't know how it is being called. So here I can make this one bigger. I can enlarge this, which will look something really similar to this. See? So also take note that they also have the same size here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we will change this the color of this a little more. It's a little more pinkish. Yeah, it's okay. Then I can duplicate that one. Okay, to duplicate, I can press Ctrl C, Ctrl plus C, and then press Ctrl plus V for paste. So I already have two. This would be for this. No, sorry, this would be for this one. So change it to yellow. Sorry, this is for the yellow. A little yellowish one. Yellowish. Good. This will be here. It looks like this. Okay. So now another one is this one. There is a bigger circle here on the face. So you can open up another circle. I can make it here. Right, you can draw it. Okay. By the way, you can, another technique also to make it a perfect circle is, of course, when you press the here circle, you can press shift. Okay, it will do really a perfect one. While pressing shift on your keyboard, you can do a perfect circle there. Okay, that's a perfect circle. So let's make it bigger. So while you resize, you click these handles, you press shift on your keyboard, so that you will have a perfect shape like this. This is circle. Okay, so now this is for the face. It should be the same color with this. Okay, so I can have that one. Where is that? Maybe this one. Okay, and here, do I forgot to make this transparent? And here also, take note, we have another one here. Let's make this one first, the bigger one. Okay, this is another circle or oval. Let's make another oval. Okay, I think this one is not a really perfect circle, so you can adjust. You use the handles. Okay, there, I think this is a lot better. You can do this, but I can do this. There. Okay, if you want to really make it an exact shape or the measurement, you can go to zoom. Okay, when you zoom, okay, go back here, see now. So this one, remove the border and then the color a little lighter. No, not the same with this, so it should be a little lighter. We'll see later. So I have said you can combine. So it's more of a yellow. This one is more of a yellow. You can also go here in the custom if you want to combine colors. Okay, so here you can go into colors. Let's say, let's try to move this. So you can find lighter set of yellow. Maybe we can have that one. Okay, now of course this one you can make, there will be 6 of this, 6 small dots. So another circle you can make small like this, very small. I'll make to change the color of that so that it's gonna be visible also. So here a little more. Okay, the same now. I'll press here. If I'm going to check the sizes, they're really, yeah, the same size. You can make the same sizes. You can copy that one. Don't worry. Again, I'm pressing Control C for copy. Okay, so now I can select. Okay, so I already have 6. This one, I think this is somewhat like part of his nose. So another oval. So another oval here. So you can adjust. Okay. So remove transparency. I just check. I think this is a lot better. And this one, change the color a little stronger, similar to this color. So let's try to see if this is okay. So again, you can combine. Okay, later. Next one is this one. So let's try to check on the shapes. If we can find something that can represent there. I think we can use this block arc. Yeah, let's try this block arc. I guess we can use this, the block arc. We just need to rotate it. So here you rotate here. See, you can rotate it. Okay. So here it would look like this. Let's just try to make it. Maybe let's try to have this one. Okay. I think I need to remove transparency for that, and I can make it the board. I can make it bigger here. You can bend this more so that it would really fit on that one. That's what vector drawings are. Here. Oh. If you want to go for more zooming, you can do that. So here you can do this. Really, it's an actual one. So now it's already duplicated. So what did I do? I just duplicate it. But first I need to make sure if they're exactly the same. Yeah, it's okay. So this one I can copy it. But first I will have to change the color. It's somewhat like this one. Yes. So I can copy it now, pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V here. Then I'm going to, yes, join them. Okay, see? So both of them there too. So I can move them back. I can zoom back to 100% so that I can arrange them. Oh, there. And of course, we have the eyes. We have the eyes. I almost forgot the eyes. Sorry for that. Okay, so I have here shapes. Go back again. Somewhat like that one. Yeah, can do like that. So I can move here. I think this will be okay. Okay, and then remove, make it transparent, and change the color, of course, to black. Oh, it's like black. Then here I can copy it. So I already have the eyes. Then we have, let's go back to 100%. Okay. So we will be having here, what else? The legs. Okay, if you see the legs, you see, then 3, there's an inner one. Okay, we can see it later if it's already done. Nose, done. So here in the legs, you can see this one. Okay, so all we need to do is identify what shape. So here at the bottom part, somewhat like its foot. Let's check on the shapes, what shapes would actually resemble it most. Here, this is, you can use this one. We just have to rotate this. Okay, we can rotate that. Let's try to see. There. Okay, so rotate, click this part, then rotate that one. There you are. Let's try to see, they are the same. Let's make it, okay, I know you would like to zoom this. Okay, so zooming. Now I would like to adjust this. There. So now I have the 1 foot. So I'll check on the colors of this. Okay. So what I have said, later on you can change the color. So that it will a lot faster. Let's make first the shapes. So go to transparency so that it will make it transparent. Then I already have this. I can copy that one. Then I paste. This will be a pair already. Now at the back, take note we also have this, by the way. Okay, so this is also part. So let's make this one. Of course, that's very obvious. That's only a rectangle. So it's something like this. See? Something like that. So we'll make the border to be transparent again, and should be having another color you can have. It's okay. So this one, This is the pair, so I can copy that one, and you have the pair already. Okay, so let's go to this, the legs on the other side or at the back. Okay, this one. So we'll just create similar ones. If you try to check on here, I just copied pasted here. See, they are the same. So I'll just get another one set of that. Okay, so meaning I will copy this, because this would be at the back. At the back, it's a lot darker, so I will choose a darker color here. Okay, this one, darker color, and another one also here, another pair, which is a darker color. This one, okay, and this one also I will. By the way, this one I will duplicate. I'll make this one darker so that they will be paired off. Okay. Don't you worry about the color again. Some of you may be wondering that the color is not the same. Yeah, we will check later. Okay, this is the first thing designing. Okay, and then define shape. So our pairs of legs are already there. Okay, so now let's move to, I guess, the tail. This one, of course, we need the shape for that, also for oval, so we can make an oval out of this. Okay, making an oval, something like that. So change the color. Maybe this one would do. It's okay. And don't forget to make it transparent. Make it here. If you want to make it zoom, I can zoom it here. Oh, sorry, I pressed C. Okay, here. So I guess this one will go for the tail. Zoom it again to 100. Okay. Select or escape, then separate that one. This one, this maybe will have somewhat like very tough one for this. Let's try to use some arc. We can use an arc here, or if you can really draw using the lines, you can do that. Okay, for me, I just use the arc here. It will represent something. Okay, this one is the arc. Let's see if we can do similar to that. Here is an arc, so we can bend. So how are you going to make this one thicker? So of course here the line weight, I can make it an 8. Yeah, and then do not use the fill color, because the fill color, if you're going to fill that one, see, so do not use the fill color. Make it transparent here. So what you're gonna be doing is only on the line color. So the line color, let's pick this one. Okay, are they the same? No, it's a lot lighter. So here, let's try to make it bigger so that there will be a complete arc. Okay. So here you can actually move different rotations so that you can actually do. See? Okay, if you want to extend more, you can extend more. Okay, you can click this yellow thing here to extend. And then you may also use this one like that. Okay, so you've seen this one, the dark yellow thing here. Okay, you can use that one. So let's see if we can do this. I think this is, so let's make it there. will bend. Yes. And see. I think this is very, let's make it a little thicker. Yeah, I guess this one is okay. Here. So of course when you do this, there is now the concept about putting them in the background. Okay. I think we'll make it. Okay, we can adjust that one. Whatever suits you, no problem. Okay. So this one. Yes, we can do like that. Okay. So now I think this would be okay. I'll put that one separate. So now let's draw. We group them. I'll put this one aside. Okay, so let's have the body. Here is the body. Okay, and then we have this one. Hopefully this would be okay. Is this really the same? Yes. Okay, so this one. Next, we'll try to check on, let's make this one first, the half of it. Yes, there you are, almost there. Okay, but this one is still white. Why it's white? Make some like as white here. It appears as white. So yeah, let's just change the color of that. Maybe this one. Oh no, a lot darker. This one. Okay, similar to this. Okay, so now let's have the ears. There's two. Okay, so I can make it here. So see, it's covering here, so let's try to make it the same color. So this one with this. So check again the color. I think this one. Yes. Yes, sir, that's correct now. Okay, and then here also I'll put this one here on the opposite side. Now change again the color. This one. Is that it? Yes. Then this one. Oh, I cannot see it. So because it's in the back, so in order for you to make this appear in front, similar as this, so all you need to do is right click this one, right click on your mouse, and then go to order, and then bring to front. Okay, bring to front, and then when you drag it here, it's already there. Okay, so similar as this, right click, bring to front. So the problem here now is we need a darker color for this. Hopefully this would be okay. Yes, this would be okay. Yes. Oh, now let's check on this. Okay, we need this on this part, in its forehead. So okay, we can put it here. So the same concern. So we need to right click this one and put or bring to front. So it's here. So see. So we need to adjust something. Is it really the same size? Yeah. So when we put it there, you may adjust this two. In order for you to select the two, this one, yeah, you can move like that. See, then you can also move here. Okay, you have there the guides. Move also this one little closer. Okay, and then move this one. Very good. So now we're good. So need eyes, of course. So the eyes are here. The eyes are here. Almost there. Next is the one in his mouth. Okay. So if you can see this red, these are what we call your guides. Okay, you may find them. So we need to adjust. It's up to you. You're going to adjust the eyes. Okay, something. I think we need to zoom in here. Okay, we need to zoom in here. Okay, so next thing. If there's a need for you to zoom, don't worry, you can zoom. Okay, so here we need to put this here. Very good. And next is this tree. You can group them. You can click here like what I see. What I'm doing, I click this one here. I highlight the tree so that it will be selected. Then you can drag them at once. Okay, see? Yeah, it's up to you to position them in different locations. So someone take a random for you, no problem. Okay, so you can, when you're here, you can individually reposition them. Don't worry. Okay. So now, of course, we need this. Okay, we need this. Highlight also these two so that we can drag it here. There you are. What? Wait. Tab, I need to na Z there. Okay. Now let's go to the legs. We're going to the legs. Yes, we're going to the legs. So the legs are here now, the bottom. So let's make first the one in front. So this one, you can see. So same color here. This one is a lot. Let's try to see. Okay, so make this one a different color, like this. So change the color. It's a lot lighter. Okay, so see, it's a lot lighter. It's at the back, so it's already at the back. So you make this one again in front. Order, then bring the front. Okay, bring the front here. Okay. Let's make the next color maybe. Yeah, that's good. So here, next thing is the one to be here. Alright, we'll make this one here. It's up to you which one you're going to try first. Okay. So they're the same color. So it's this one. You need to put this one in front so that you can change this color to this one. Yes, they're the same now. So let's go the legs at the back, somewhat like this. See, so this is in front, you need to put this one at the back. So same operation, right click and then order send to back. So we're now doing here. Okay, and this one, of course, you'll have also again a problem with this, sending this to back. Okay. If we, I think this, let's adjust the legs. You can make it lower. This is also this. Okay, because see. Okay, so that we can really simulate that way. I think this would be okay. Yes, move a little. Can I move a little? Okay, there. So Now we will also be doing the same on the other legs. So put this one at the back, send to back, and then let's go here. We will also be sending this to back, and now it's here. So the guides, if you can see the guides, it will really help you that they are aligned here, see? So let's make it adjust better. So it's up to you how it's going. Okay, so go back to zoom again. Seeing the adjustments, you can adjust here. So check if that's very close. You adjust the legs here. Okay, adjust the legs. If you see that it's already very close, that's it. Now let's zoom out. Okay, so almost done. You just have this one. Select. Okay, in order for this one, the tail, so make sure you send this one at the back. Order send to back. Okay, so it looks something like this, and then of course this one. Okay, so this is now our own drawing. Okay, so I can group them, so I can move them here. Just highlight. Okay, highlight them. Okay, and see, this is the image. Okay, you cannot separate them. Let's say I'm going to separate the eyes. I cannot do that. Here I can separate the eyes. Okay, so you can edit each part, each shape. So you can use another color if you want this color a different one. Yeah, you can do that one easily. Here, when you change the color here, it's gonna be applicable for all. Okay, it's gonna be applicable for all. So here it's only, since each part is made by shapes, so you can change it. Okay, you can modify. Okay, you can even add gradient here, somewhat like that one. It's no problem. That's gonna be okay. You can change your own color here. You see? So that is now the lion. Hopefully this video helps you in making your drawings. So be careful when you change colors like this also. Okay, see? Hind legs. Okay, you can set it back here also to solid, which is similar to that. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this will help you in your vector drawing. Bye bye.